Hi to everyone watching this video. If you are interested in learning Serbian language with my guidance. For those of you who are on this channel for the first time, my name is Jelena Lukic. I'm the professor of Serbian language with 10 years of work experience in education in many schools in Serbia. On my YouTube channel, blog, website, Instagram and Facebook page, Serbiana Power Class, I plan to share my free lessons of Serbian language with you. All lessons you can find in both languages, Serbian and English, marked by numbers, so you can watch them by order of appearance. You'll also have the subtitles down below, so you can follow it in silent mode if needed. If you're interested in this subject, please hit subscribe button, follow my channel and like my videos. Share these videos and my channel with your friends and relatives who want to learn Serbian language with you too. If you want to learn Serbian in more systematic way, besides these short free YouTube lessons, you may always apply to my online course Serbiana Power Class. I'll leave you the contact down below in the description of this video so you can write me and find out more about it, okay? So today we learn about how we can say hi to other people in Serbian. Young people or others in informal conversation would say "Ćao, kako si?" It means "Hi, how are you?" Or if it's plural, if it's more than one person we are talking to, "Ćao, kako ste?" "Ćao, kako si?" in singular, "Ćao, kako ste?" in plural. Or another informal way, "Zdravo, kako si?" "Zdravo, kako si?" Hello, how are you? If it's singular, there is a difference. And if we say "Zdravo, kako ste?" it means that we are talking to more than one person, okay? Please always repeat after me, replay this lesson as many times as is needed, and write down all these phrases in your special notebook for Serbian language lessons, okay? So how do we refer to others in more formal way, depending on the period of the day? In the morning, we say "Dobro jutro," good morning, "Dobro jutro." During the daytime, we say "Dobar dan," good day, "Dobar dan." In the evening, we say "Dobro veče," "Dobro veče," good evening. In the end of meeting or conversation, we may say "Doviđenja," or goodbye in formal situations, and we can say "Ćao" or "Zdravo." It means bye for informal situations. And for evening time we say "Laku noć," "Laku noć," good night for evening time. So repeat these phrases after me, please, and replay it as many times is needed. Write everything down in your notebook and practice writing in Serbian, okay? Was this hard for you? Or maybe it's too easy? Write me your answers down below in the comments of this video and share it with your friends so I can adjust my future video lessons to your needs. Each of you will find what he or she needs on my online course if you apply for it in the contact I left you down below this video. Can't wait to see you again in my next video, number 3. Until then, bye.